As I drive through the countryside, I can't help but smile at the thoughts of America becoming a fresh pasta paradise. With pasta bars next to every Starbucks, friends and families will be able to enjoy Lilly's fresh pasta, healthy, delicious dishes whenever they please. It's a vision that I know can become a reality, and I can't wait to see the look of joy on everyone's faces as they savor the delicious pasta. I will work tirelessly, day and night, to make this dream a reality, traveling all over the country, meeting with restaurant owners and future franchisees, convincing them of the benefits of adding healthy fresh pasta bars to their menu. And it will pay off. In no time at all, America will be eating more pasta than ever before. It wasn't just Americans who will be enjoying our delicious pasta. Tourists from all over the world will come to see what all the fresh fuss is all about. And now, looking into the future. Again, it's a beautiful day, and America is finally on top of the world. We're number one. We've beaten out Italy as the number one country for pasta consumption. Families are picking up so many pastas and getting delivered with happy smiles, the real happy meal. Ordering fresh pasta from many pasta bars that have popped up next to every Starbucks globally, serving 1 billion people a day. That's right. The pastas come in all shapes and sizes with unique flavors and toppings to suit everyone's taste. There's something for everyone here in America, this new pasta paradise. Even those who don't normally like pasta are finding themselves converted by delicious varieties we offer. Everyone is enjoying this new golden age of pasta. It's bringing people together and making them happier than ever before. Ray did it with burgers. John and Tom did it with pizza. Fred did it with subs. Schultz did it with coffee. Sanders did it with chicken. Antonio did it with pasta.